Okay, welcome back. What I'm doing now is roughing in the back stile lines on the corner. Instead of making it like a 90-degree corner, I'm beveling it to 45 degrees. Just because I think that's going to look better. And a lot of the companies around here had that style to them. Checkmates, a lot of them had a 45-degree bevel, and Bajas, a lot of Bajas had a 45-degree bevel. In fact, Baja sent a scale model up to the University of Michigan to their wind tunnel and discovered that they actually picked up some speed by beveling the corner to about 45 degrees. Not that that's going to make any difference in this boat. I don't think it's going to go near fast enough for that to matter, but you know, the look is there. So anyway, that's what I'm doing here. And then right here, this stile line comes here, so I'm continuing it on up. It's just kind of roughed in. I've got to go back over and do some things. Bringing it on up here, and then smoothing it up into a 6-inch pad on both sides here. And you can see again that stile line, this little hook thingy, and the bevel on this side. Now, what I'm going to do down here, I'm going to continue this flat spot, basically where the boat bolts together with the deck and hull. I've got a strip of wood that's going to be on the back for a flat spot on the back. And what I'm going to do is it's going to come around and be it'll be a rounded corner so that the rub rail comes around rounded. So this bevel will come down, and then this will be rounded around here, and then this will be flat across the back to a certain point, and then where this mark is, that's 20 inches from the bottom of the pad. So it'll have a 20-inch transom, and what we'll do is we'll have a hump in place that where that transom will end. We'll put a thing in there so that the transom only goes so high. You'll see when I get it in place, but it'll be a place where the mold will only go so high, and that'll make it a place for the outboard. But this will be the strip that goes along the bottom, and then the place for the outboard, and up there the start of the pad. Anyway, I think it's looking good, pretty good for being roughed in. I got a few spots to go over, a couple good layers of heavy fill, and she'll be looking good. The hard part's going to be out there now is shaping that pad into place. It'll just take some time. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update. Thank you for watching.